Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we got a 89 Chevy Blazer 4x4. This casting is by Matchbox and it's an older casting. It's not a brand new casting. I think I got it from a flea market. Really liked it. So let's open it up and see how does it look. Before I do that, there's something interesting written in the back, which I don't think I've seen on any other cars yet. It says, not for use with some Matchbox sets. I don't know what sets they're talking about, but if you know, just leave a comment. So here's the 89 Chevy Blazer out of its box. First thing you will notice, it's a police vehicle. While the paint on the side and the lamps on the top. And the second thing you will notice, it has got huge off-road wheels. So it's a lifted police vehicle, I guess. Might be something in the back, or maybe a regular. I don't know. I haven't seen 89 Chevy. But since we are here, let's talk on the driver side. So on the driver side, you get this huge wheels, which kind of look nice. You do get a step. You get this paint theme. I think it's for some department. It does reach sheriff here within this star. Service to community. It's a two-door, so you do get this big window in the back. Door handle, again not detailed. It does read number 3, and you do have this squarish wheel arches, which is very typical of 80s. Now you can also see the turn indicators are there, but they are not detailed. Let's move to the front. So up front, you can see a bull bar, you can see the grille, you can see the tail lamp, you can also see a winch. But again, none of them are painted or detailed in any way. So if you blink, you can miss it. You don't have windshield wipers either, no mirrors either. Passenger side, or your teammates, I don't know what the police second officer is called. So on the passenger side, looks almost identical. I don't really see any differences. Again, it's the same service to community on the side, same badges, star design, almost identical. The back, again, back is not really detailed. You can see the tail lamps there. You can see a tow hook, but again, none of them are painted to mention anything. And this is how it looks from the top, with all the emergency lamp, I guess, and all of the spot lamps, sorry. Not sure. The interior is done in black. And this is how it looks from the bottom. It says it's from 2016. I don't know if it was the first release or re-release, but still it's mentioned the same name. Date, sorry. So it does look good though, even without all the details, it still looks good. And I think will go great with my other Matchbox cars. Let me know what do you think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.